Hi, okay, taste test for the coconuts. Wow. All right, so we got this other coconut, right? Compared to the first coconut I bought. This is the packaging for the first coconut. This is the next one. 35 baht, 39 baht. All right, so here is the coconut. Okay, well, I do see a difference actually. Not a huge difference, but you can see this one is bigger. So I guess it's like a different, not genus, but like just a different plant altogether. Anyway, so got the stainless steel spoon, and again we're gonna pop this out. Okay. Oh, this one is gonna, whoa, okay, yes, it is spilling over, but ooh, there is a difference in the size. This one's much smaller. And, all right, voila. Whoa, okay, spilling out like crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. See this? It is all the way to the brim. All right, let's take a taste. All right, quite honestly, I think this one tastes better. I think this one tastes better than the bigger one. But I guess it has less meat and less juice. But I really think that the water tastes better in the smaller one. Okay, this is the lid from the first coconut. This is the lid from the second coconut. The flesh, I don't know, I think the bigger one, the one that was more expensive, actually is softer. It's more tender. Can you see that? There's more give. And then this one, there's not, like when I'm squishing it, it's not as much. Interesting. All right, so let's get some of the meat. All right, so here is from coconut number 2, the one that I just got. Hey, I like this one better. This one's even softer. What? I don't get it. I really don't get it. How come on the lid it was harder? But then when I'm chewing on it, it's softer. Okay, here is meat from the second. This is the bigger coconut. Okay. It's not that much harder, but there's definitely more texture. There's more texture to the bigger one than the smaller one. Yeah, these are definitely two different coconuts. Wait, now I gotta try it again. I think this one's better. It's like I don't know how to describe it. Like when you chew through it. This one, it just it feels different in your mouth. It's almost like squishier. Whereas like this one, it's soft, it's tender, but it doesn't have that snap to it, I guess. You know? Oh boy, that's hard to figure out. I wish I could explain it better, but there's really no, there's, the difference is so slight, but I definitely like the smaller one better. It just tastes better, and yeah, just, I don't know, the way it feels when you chew on it. But hey, coconut is just amazing. So if you come to Thailand, for sure, you must buy a coconut. Have like a fresh coconut. They usually have them on the beach. If you can't find this vending machine, you could definitely get them on the beach, and they'll open it up for you fresh. I know at Chatuchak Market they have them on the sidewalk from one of the carts. Anyway, see you later.